Hello everyone, I am Alexandra and this is my trading diary Volodymyrna. Here I document my real journey in trading with all losses, with everything what I learn and how I learn, honestly without filters or promises of fast money. And today I really would like to talk about why trading is a hobby for me right now, what made me try it in the first place and why I'm not turning it into a profession yet. And so, yeah, I didn't come to trading because I wanted quick money. Of course, everyone wants money, and trading is one of the way for getting it. But first thing, I was simply curious. I wanted to understand how financial markets works because it's really related to the work what I'm doing and why prices move and how people behavior show up on charts. And I also wanted something new for my brain, and some of my friends also doing trading, so something that required thinking, analysis and making decision is also related to trading. And it's really really great to train your brain in that way as well. So when I seriously came back to trading, my mindset was already different. So that was my first time when I came to trading, but then I had a huge gap, I guess year or two for sure, and then second time back to trading and my mind was already different. I already understand for what I need, what kind of skills. I started to deeper understanding of money, of course, and yeah, and I understood that trading is about money and we here to make dough. So yeah, I had a lot of challenges. I started trainings and that was really challenging path. But one important thing I knew from the beginning, I didn't want to learn completely on my way, and that was really great decision from my side. There is too much chaotic information online, too many videos, opinions and people selling dreams, and of course I wanted structure, guidance and accountability, and that decision saved me from many mistakes. Of course I lost some money due to my wrong behavior, but the same thing, trading quickly showed me something important. This is not just about making money, it's also about how you think, how you react under pressure, and how you deal with the uncertainty. And that's exactly why at some point I stopped looking at trading as a race and started trading it as a hobby, because when trading became a hobby, I finally started to enjoy the process itself. Yeah, I didn't thought about that like additional job that I need to do it every day with a huge discipline and push myself to do it. So the first thing I really enjoyed it, the process itself. When trading is a hobby, there is no constant pressure to make money today. And of course, most of us come to trading to earn money. I did too, but when you're a beginner, focusing only on the profits can actually lead to losses. That's exactly what happened to me. The more I thought about making money, the more I rushed, and the more emotional my decisions became, and the worse my results were. Once I removed that pressure and treated trading as a learning process, everything started to slow down. I began thinking clear, making fewer impulsive decisions, and finally understanding what I was doing. I can analyze calmly, skip trades when something feels off, and focus on quality instead of quantity. And I started enjoy learning how the market works, reading price action, understanding structure, and slowly connecting theory with real situation. And the second thing is learning. Trading showed me very quickly that I know much less than I thought, and as a hobby that actually started to be exciting. I can read books without rushing, study strategy deeper, and make mistakes without fear or destroying my life financially. So of course I made a lot of mistakes as a beginner, and right now when I started to think about trading as a hobby, it started to be more simply for me to just calm down and start again everything without any pressure. of myself. And there is the third thing, maybe the most important one. Trading taught me a lot about myself and my impatience, my emotion, my need to be right, my tendency to rush. As a hobby, trading became a way to observe those things, not punish myself for them. And this is like big step that I made. And I want to be very honest here. Trading is not easy, it's not stable, and it's definitely not stress free. But I experience emotional decisions, rushing trades, ignoring my own rules, and losing money because of that. And you know what? That's when I realized something important. I am not ready yet to depend on trading for my income, feel pressure for every single trade, or turn something interesting into constant stress. And professional trading requires a very different level of mindset. It requires strong psychology, the ability to stay calm after losses, not to panic, and not to revenge trade, and what else? Not to take every red day personally. It requires strict discipline, following a plan even when you don't feel like it, respecting risk management, and stopping when emotions start taking control. And it requires, those emotional stability, being okay with uncertainty, with days when nothing works, and with the fact that results don't always come when you expect them. And I'm working on all of the things, of course, slowly, honestly, but right now I don't want to pretend I ready for that level of pressure. Choosing trading as a hobby is not a weakness, I would say. It's honesty with myself, and it's really working great for me. And when trading is a hobby, I give myself time, I allow mistakes, and focus on progress, not perfection. And I keep a trading journal, even though it's not easy for me. I analyze not only my trades but also my emotions, and I change time frames to reduce chaos and make fewer impulsive decisions. And I won't say that I feel calm all the time. No, I don't. There is still a lot to work on, a lot to improve, but for the first time, I sometimes feel moments of calm in trading, not excitement, not adrenaline, just short moments of clarity. And right now, those moments are much more valuable to me than chasing fast profits. Yeah, and trading as a hobby is not about giving up. It's about building a strong foundation. And I don't know yet if trading will become my profession in the future. Of course, I want it for sure, but I will try to make it. And that's enough for this stage of my journey, I would say, as it is. And I really love to ask you too, do you see trading as a hobby or as a profession for you? And if you are just starting, what do you actually want from it? And please write in the comments. I read everything. And if you like real trading content, I would be really glad to see your support here with a like and subscribe and comment. So thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to my stories about the journey, about those lessons, what I'm doing, and how I'm getting better and better each day in trading. So thank you very much, guys, for being with me here. It's really, really valuable for me. And yeah, see you in the next videos.